Binance versus ZebPay. Which crypto exchange wins? Choosing the right crypto exchange can transform your trading experience without unnecessary fees or delays. Binance offers global reach and variety, while ZebPay focuses on simplicity and local support. Binance and ZebPay are popular cryptocurrency exchanges, but they serve different user needs. Binance is a global powerhouse with extensive features and coins, while ZebPay is an India-centric platform emphasizing ease of use and regulatory compliance. The core difference is scale versus local focus. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide, providing access to over 600 cryptocurrencies and a wide range of trading options, including spot, futures, and margin trading. It operates on a robust platform that supports high liquidity and fast transactions. Binance's strengths lie in its extensive coin selection, advanced trading tools, and competitive fees. It also offers staking, savings, and launchpad services for new tokens. However, Binance's comprehensive features can be overwhelming for beginners, and regulatory challenges in some countries may restrict access. Ideal users are experienced traders or investors seeking variety, advanced tools, and global market exposure. Binance's mobile and web apps are designed for seamless trading, but require some learning to navigate effectively. For those looking to trade internationally with a broad asset range, Binance is a strong choice. ZebPay is a cryptocurrency exchange primarily focused on the Indian market, known for its user-friendly interface and strong compliance with local regulations. It supports a curated list of popular cryptocurrencies, making it simpler for users to navigate and trade. ZebPay offers secure wallets, instant deposits and withdrawals, and a straightforward buy-sell process ideal for beginners or casual investors. Its strengths include ease of use, local currency integration, and customer support tailored to Indian users. However, ZebPay has a smaller coin selection and fewer advanced trading features compared to global exchanges. It is best suited for users who prioritize simplicity, regulatory safety, and direct fiat to crypto transactions within India. ZebPay's mobile app provides a clean experience focused on quick trades and portfolio management, making it accessible for first-time crypto users or those focused on the Indian market. When comparing Binance and ZebPay, the key trade-off is between breadth and simplicity. Binance excels in offering a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading options, and global liquidity, making it suitable for active traders and investors seeking diverse opportunities. However, its complexity and regulatory hurdles can be barriers. ZebPay, on the other hand, prioritizes ease of use, local compliance, and seamless fiat integration, which benefits users new to crypto or those focused on the Indian market. While ZebPay limits coin variety and advanced features, it provides a secure and straightforward experience. For example, a seasoned trader looking to diversify internationally will prefer Binance, whereas a beginner or India-based user wanting hassle-free transactions may choose ZebPay. Fees, security, and customer support also differ, with Binance offering competitive rates globally and ZebPay emphasizing local assistance. Binance is recommended for experienced traders and investors seeking a comprehensive platform with global reach, advanced tools, and a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. ZebPay is ideal for beginners or Indian users who want a simple, secure, and locally compliant exchange. Choosing the right platform depends on your trading needs, but both Binance and ZebPay offer strong options tailored to different user priorities.